WWE held SummerSlam just a few days ago, but Payback is next Sunday. They didn't have a lot of time to book their August 30th pay-per-view, but it's shaping up to look like a solid show without a much build. There are 4 confirmed matches for the card so far. The Universal title, Women's Tag Team titles, and United States title are all on the line. Keith Lee is also facing Randy Orton. Several more matches are expected for the card, but WWE has also laid the groundwork for those matches. Jeff Hardy just won the IC title from AJ Styles, so a rematch is very likely. Kevin Owens will also probably want to get revenge on Aleister Black for laying him out this week on Raw. It was previously reported that Matt Riddle and King Corbin will have their match at Payback. That will put Matt Riddle and Keith Lee's WWE pay-per-view debut as member of the main roster on the same night. It's also expected that Big E will continue his singles tour and take on Sheamus. WWE started the Thunderdome and there were already some issues. A fan using his Thunderdome seat to display Fire Velveteen Dream during SummerSlam was followed by a fan displaying Chris Benoit's image on Raw. Then another fan showed up in a KKK outfit. There were other disturbing images as well, and WWE is tired of it already, and understandably so. Brian Alvarez noted on Wrestling Observer Live that he was told WWE is going to change things in regard to how they display fans in the Thunderdome. They are going to put fans they trust in better seats.
And yes, we are having some problems with things on the screens, which, by the way, I have been told that they're going to be making some changes. And I don't know this for sure, but the impression that I get is, you know, when they've been doing this for a while, they are going to find some fans that are going to obey the rules no matter what.
It was stated that WWE will find fans who will follow the company line. Those who they trust will be in the lower bowl of fans. People who they don't really know will be higher up and out of the closer shots of the ring. Karrion Kross kicked off NXT this week by relinquishing the NXT title. This was not a movement he planned, but he also stated that his path is full of obstacles. Kross has a separated shoulder. He previously stated that he didn't think it will cost him much time in the ring, but he also had to give up his title. Later on in the show, William Regal wished Kross the best in his long recovery. During Wrestling Observer Radio, Dave Meltzer noted that Kross' separated shoulder must be more served than first thought. He will very likely need a surgery which could keep him out of the ring for a long time. NXT obviously love Karrion Kross. They debuted him with an amazing presentation and shot him to the top of the roster. His injury was unexpected and it will certainly keep him from progressing as planned. He will be back and promise that Doomsday is still coming because everybody pays the toll.